Okay, so I'm going to do a seasonal taste test. Kit Kat Sakura Mochi or real Sakura Mochi. Which one's better? Let's find out. Let's start with Kit Kat. Tastes like sakura. Japan has many sweets that are flavored like sakura. It's quite nice. Okay, now for the real thing. Okay, so what we have is a sakura leaf from an actual tree, and I think it must be pickled or fermented or something because it's very, very pungent. And then we have some sweet rice sort of cake type thing that's sakura flavored. That's quite nice. And in the middle is uncle or red bean paste, which is also quite nice. I like it. So it's really just this pungent fermented leaf that I don't like. So let's try it without. Okay, let's try it again. It still smells pungent. Okay. It's better. But still tastes pungent. Kit Kat versus sweets. This time I'll go with Kit Kat. Sorry. So if you liked the video, click like and subscribe. Thank you, bye!